Hi and welcome to Unit 2 Topic 3 Video 17. And in this video I'm going to run through item 4 and 5, which are projections and translations. And honestly, they're not too bad. So a projection is very similar to our projection in vectors. It basically takes a point, P23, and projects it onto a line. Remember, it creates that shadow effect. So we're looking at what is the shadow here. So this is our point. Well, originally it was a vector, and then we project down there. We're just dealing with a point, and it basically just removes one of the axis values. In this case, projecting onto the x-axis takes you to an image, which is just the component of the original point that's on the x-axis. Pretty easy, and in fact, you don't even need a projection matrix. You just go, so I'll just go get off the highlighter here, just grab the point and just go, oh, where's it go? Oh, it goes down to there, easy. In fact, you might even see it and go, hold on a second, it's just the x value. So the projection itself, what is it? Well, we want to keep the x value, but we want to lose the y value. So there's our projection onto the x-axis. And if we want to project onto the y-axis, we want to keep the y value, but let's lose the x value. And there it is. How good is that? That's projections. So just remember, the projections are about losing a component. Now, a projection will always have a 1. If this was a 2, this is now a projection with a dilation. So it's a combined transformation. All these individual transformations are really basic and simple, but we can combine them together. And I'll show you a bit more about that later on. Okay, I did promise you 2 parts, so let's have a look at translations. We won't get into rotations in this video. So it's just jumped on me. So I'm going to shift that out of the way and just talk about translations. Translations are a little bit annoying because they're the one that breaks the mold. Because when we translate, we're shifting. We're not dilating. We're not looking at individual components. We're just shifting the shape. The shape keeps its form and its shape. So in this case, a translation, we just add the vector, the shift that we want to do. So if we want to take our x-coordinate to be x plus 5 and our y-coordinate to be y plus 2, well, we just have to add that vector 5 to 1, but as a matrix, a column matrix. So it's pretty simple, a translation, and not too bad to deal with. Okay, well, I'm leaving it there. I've got no examples, but I don't think you really need them. Go back and have a look at your textbook, work through some of these questions, and again, write down any questions you have and take them to your teacher. All the best.